welcome back. Today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I recently got one of these in the mail from Ipsy, so I'll be showing you guys what came this month for the month of April in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Glam Bag Plus this month, so I believe this is for the month of April. It may be May's month, but I'm pretty sure this is April's box. So Ipsy actually sent this over to me because they are now going to be launching Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to everyone. So previously it was only available to current Ipsy subscribers. So you had to be subscribed to the Ipsy Glam Bags, and now they're offering it to anybody. So it's $25 a month. You are going to get at least 5 full-size products every single month inside of your box. And I'm going to show you guys what I got this month. I already kind of peeked inside, but I haven't opened anything up. So I regularly get the Ipsy Glam Bags, but I don't normally get the Glam Bag Plus. So from what I'm reading on here, it says that it's going to be available as of April. So when I was looking to find the information for this video, I seen that you could sign up for it to be put on a list. I'm not sure once you're put on that list how long you have until you can receive the Glam Bag, but there is an option to be put on the list. And these are supposed to be more curated, unlike the BoxyCharm. These ones are supposed to be more curated to what you like. So you would go ahead and fill out your little quiz, kind of like you do with the Glam Bag, and the items are supposed to be more customizable towards like your skin tone and things like that and things you like. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got this month. So first up, we had something from Paris Hilton. This is the skincare line from Paris Hilton. It's the Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System. This is a dual action cleansing gel. So here's what that looks like. I actually never really heard much after her brand came out. I know I talked about it. It was back when I was doing the In the Carter Forgot Abouts, and I talked about this line that was coming out from Paris Hilton, but I'd never really heard people like really mentioning it after that. So again, this is the dual action cleansing gel. I'm not sure if this is used to remove makeup or not. It just says you can use it twice a day. So I'm assuming this is probably just like an all-over cleanser that you'd use like after you remove your makeup, but I'll have to go ahead and give that a try. I'll let you guys know what I think of that. Up next, we have another skincare product. This one is from Gold Fladden MD. I've actually never heard of this brand either. This is the Solution Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrates. So it looks like this is going to be like a serum to help with dark circles. It says it visibly brightens the eye area, reduces the appearance of under eye puffiness and fatigue, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which is always a good thing. Here is what that looks like. So again, this is going to be a full-size item as well. So I just found this in here, and this is actually a little booklet. I didn't even notice it because it was on the bottom, but this has all of the prices on everything. So the Paris Hilton cleanser is going to be $29, and then the price on the serum is $55. So that is definitely a pricey eye serum. And there are still quite a few products left in here. So up next, we have something from Feel. This is the Feel Balance Moisturizing Balancing Cream. So here is what that one looks like. So we have a lot of skincare in this one for sure. I'm not sure if that's normal per each one, but this one is valued at $28. So this is supposed to be like a face moisturizer that you can use on the body as well. And then up next, we have 2 different products here from Girlactic. And these are their 3-in-1 Sparkle Balm Duos. So there's Periwinkle and Twinkle, and the set of 2 is valued at $34 each. So this is supposed to be like a lip gloss, but not a sticky feeling. So it's kind of like a balm, like a glittery balm almost. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch both of them for you. Actually, it looks like a very interesting texture. So this one here is going to be the Periwinkle, and then I'll swatch the Twinkle one for you guys as well. I think this is a cool concept because it kind of gives you, here is the Twinkle, and then there is the Periwinkle. It kind of gives you like that look of a gloss, but it's probably going to have the feel of a balm. So it's not going to be like sticky. I wonder if this is something that you could apply like over top of anything, or if it would kind of grind. I'm going to actually put a little bit. Let's see. I have gloss on already, so it's probably not good over top of gloss. But it's kind of adding a little bit of something. I think this is more meant to be just like on top of maybe like a lip shade, not really on top of a gloss, but I can definitely see like a little bit of sparkle. I'm actually really curious about these. So that is $34 for both of those. And then we just have one more product left in here, and this one looks like an eyeshadow palette. So this one is from Laura Sanchez. This is the Moods palette. It says that the retail value on this one is going to be $35. Definitely looks like it has really cool packaging in it. And then let's go ahead and show you guys the inside. So it looks like we have 2, 4, 6, 8 shades, and then it looks like 2 highlighting shades there. So 8 eyeshadows, 2 highlights, and then it also does come with a brush as well. So we have this little double-ended brush in here. There is a mirror on the palette. It's kind of fun. You have a few like neutral shades in there, but you have a few like pops of color as well. I will go ahead and swatch all of the shades from the palette so you can see what they look like. The brush actually feels pretty nice. I like how small it is. All right, so here is a swatch of all 8 of the eyeshadows, and then we have the 2 highlights. So the highlights actually look really, really pretty, like they're gonna be pretty blinding. They both have a bit of an iridescent shift to them. And then all of the eyeshadows actually swatched really nicely, especially that blue shade. Obviously, I'm gravitating towards that. You guys know I love blues, but that one looks really, really promising. I'll definitely have to try this out and let you guys know what I think of it. I've never heard of this brand. I feel like a lot of the products in this box this month I've never really heard of. Galactic I've heard of the Paris Hilton, but the other 3 brands I'm not really familiar with. So I love finding new brands, and I love the fact that these subscription boxes offer that as well. Some well-known and then some that you've never heard of. So you guys will have to let me know if you are signed up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, if you've actually tried any of these items, or if you have gotten other items in your box this month. Let me know down below. I will have the link to sign up if you guys are interested down in the description box. If you did like this unboxing, let me know. I would be more than happy to sign up for it if this is something you guys would be curious to see every single month. Let me know down in the comment section. Give this one a thumbs up if you did like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.